The simplest type of factoring is factoring out the greatest common factor, or the GCF. And simply what you do is, if you have, let's say, AX plus AY, then you notice that A is a common factor to the two terms, and we can have more than two terms, of course, okay? So what we say is we factor out the A, or some of you will say pull out the A, right, from these two terms, take out the A, and inside the parentheses, you'll be left with the X and the Y. So notice this is really just the reverse of the distributive property of multiplication over addition, okay? So this is how you perform factoring out the greatest common factor. Of course, it gets a little bit more exciting than this, as we will show you in the next examples. Okay, let's look at this example. Say we have 15a minus 6ab. So you see that you have two terms. The first term is 15a, the second term is 6ab. Okay, so we want to try and write this in factored form. So we want to write this in factored form. Factored form meaning we want to write it as a polynomial times another polynomial. Right now it is not factored because I hear myself say 15a minus 6ab. So it's the difference of two things, okay? So let me just go slowly through this process. So 15 and 6, two numbers. Of course, some of you might know right away that there's a common factor that is 3, right? But just to show you how it works, so 15 can be written as 3 times 5, and then there's your A, okay? Minus 6 is 3 times 2, and then there's your AB. In fact, maybe I can change my A to green, okay? So you notice that these two terms, this first term and this second term, they have 3 and A common to both of them, okay? So you can pull out or factor out the 3 and the A, okay? So you can take out 3A, all right? And then multiply that by the quantity, so you have 3A times the quantity. Now, once you pull out 3 and A from the first term, notice that only 5 is left, so that's 5, okay, for the first term sitting inside a quantity. Minus stays as minus, okay, and then you pulled out the 3 and the A, so you factored out 3 and A already, so what's left is the 2 and the B, right, or are the 2 and the B, or 2B, okay? So therefore, the factored form of 15A minus 6AB is 3A times the quantity 5 minus 2b, and you have successfully performed the factoring because you have written this polynomial as the product of the monomial 3a and the binomial 5 minus 2b. Let's look next at this example that has 3 terms. We know that there are 3 terms because I see a plus sign here. So, and this is the first term, 25a squared bc cubed. And then there's a plus, so that means to say, and I have the second term, 15ab squared c squared. And then I hear myself say minus, so that means to say that's going to be another term, 5abc squared. Okay, so you'll agree this is a little bit more challenging than the first one. Let's again do it slowly, and then maybe later on you can see how you can do it faster when you're doing it on your test, okay? So let's look at the first term, 25a squared bc cubed. We know that 25 can be written as 5 times 5, okay? A squared is really A times A, and B is B, that's 1B, and C cubed means you have 3 C's. I hope you don't have to do this when you do your test. It's just for me, for my explanation, okay? So then you have 15ab squared c squared. We can write 15 as 3 times 5. And then a is 1a, b squared is 2b's, and c squared is 2c's, right? C times c. And then you have 5abc squared. So that's 5 is 5. There's nothing to do with that anymore. Then a is a, b is b, c is squared is cc, okay? So let me get my green marker and let's try to see what they have in common here. So I see that 5 is all over here, right, in the 3 terms. So 5 is good, right? So 5 is is a common factor, okay? I also see the A's. So I have 1A common to all 3. Let's see, and I also see that I have 1B common to all 3. And 1C common, oh, actually I see 2 C's, right, common to all 3, okay? So therefore, if we look at this, we see that the greatest common factor of the 3 terms is 5, A, B, C, squared. Okay? So that's how you do it. It's 5abc squared. As I said, when you're doing this on your test, hopefully you won't have to do these three things anymore. You can just eyeball, right? Like for instance, you know 25, 15, and 5. Hopefully we can all see that 5 is a common factor for these three numbers. Okay? Now if we look at the answer that we got here, we see that we have a squared, and we got the common factor a. And maybe you can say, oh, okay, I think I know what's happening. Between a squared and a to the 1, right, a to the first, you choose a to the first. Okay, that's the lower, or the lowest in this case, well, but there are only two of them. So you pick the lowest exponent that you see, okay? Then for the b's, so the answer that we got is b. We have b to the 1, b to the second, b to the first, right? So again, we chose b to the first, okay, the lowest. And then for c, we have c cubed, c squared, and c squared. So we pick c squared. So that's a quick way of getting your GCF without having to go through these, okay? But it's just to explain to you why, okay? Ready to pull out our GCF, factor out the GCF 5abc squared, and then open paren. We expect to see, because we started out with three terms, we expect to see three things inside this quantity, okay? So the first term corresponds to this first term. Since we already took out 5abc squared, we just need the factor that will give us a 25 if we already have a 5. So we just need 5 inside, right? Since we already have a to the 1 outside, we need a squared, so we just need a to the first. Another way of looking at this, of course, because I have this here in front of me, so I don't have to suffer thinking of what I need is, I just pull out all these green things, 5abc squared. So I see that what I have left that I need inside are what? 5a and c, right? So that's another way, just because I have this diagram already, okay? And then plus, the next term is, I pulled out 5abc squared. So I pulled out these things already. So all I need is the 3 as well as the b, right? So 3b. Now notice for the last term, I pulled out everybody, 5abc squared, so you'd say nothing's left, right? But nothing really means what is left is what should I multiply to 5abc squared to make it a 5abc squared? And of course we know that that number that preserves the identity in multiplication is the number 1, right? So you need to put that 1 there because again, you notice I said in the beginning, you need 3 terms inside. Of course, I have to point out that if you're not sure of your answer, what do? You just multiply back, right? So remember, factoring is just undoing the operation of multiplication. So to check whether you got the correct factored form, all you have to do is multiply this to this. So 5 times 5 is 25. A times a is a squared. B is, there's no b here, so that's b to the 1. C squared with c is c to the third, right? This with this, 5 times 3 is 15. AB squared, because there's 1 there, and then a c squared. And this times 1 will give you that. Oops, sorry, I didn't notice that's a minus, okay? So I was not paying attention. So that should be a minus sign. So that's how you factor out the greatest common factor.